Like any construction site, the Nova Center is a noisy place. But it's even louder when there's a strong wind blowing.
Sounds like, I imagine, what a really loud ghost would sound like.
Well, like a train whistle, maybe? Sounds like a banshee.
A banshee? What's a banshee exactly?
You know that thing that's like that woman, she's just yelling at you, she's very scary and stuff.
The Twitterverse has noticed too. One poster comparing it to a ghostly wailing noise. Others just want it to stop. The sound is heard at bars.
It's got an eerie howl.
Inside hotel rooms.
It sounded like an organ playing because there was all different notes. It was quite strange.
And even farther away.
2, 3, 4 blocks. Yeah, certainly from Scotia Square. Certainly down at the end of Blower Street.
I live up at like the bottom end of Agricola, like right by the roundabout, and I've heard it from my house.
People living and working in the area note the noises only happen when the wind is gusting out of the south like it was last night. But with winds out of the northwest today, the sound is non-existent. One engineer compares the cause of the sound to blowing on the top of a bottle.
There could be some architectural feature or structural feature right now that has a cavity, like a Coke bottle, and as the wind blows over it, it would make that whistling sound. We've seen that before in other buildings.
Many believe it's caused by the wind blowing through the open levels of the Nova Center, but construction officials tell CTV News it's actually caused by the unfinished roof. They say as soon as the roof is finished, the noises will be permanently silenced. Matt Woodman, CTV News, Halifax.